Zeon Zoysia Grass Care. Zeon Zoysia is a fine-bladed grass that is especially easy to maintain. It grows quickly and is tolerant to drought and shade, making it an ideal replacement for similar turf varieties. This grass is often used for sports fields, lawns and golf fairways, and its soft texture has given it the nickname barefoot grass. Description: Zeon Zoysia is tolerant to the range of environmental conditions. Its resistance to wear and injury makes it appropriate for sports fields. It offers a lush appearance, dense turf and deep green color that many consider pleasing to the eye. It thrives in full sun but grows in part shade as well. This variety was selected for its fine texture, fast spreading rate and low maintenance needs. Establishment: this grass cannot be grown from seed. Plugs or sod are recommended for non-professional growers. Sod is the best way to fill your lawn instantly. When placing sod, water as you go, rather than waiting until you are finished. Zeon Zoysia spreads much more quickly than similar zoysia grasses, such as emerald, and will fill a lawn quickly. Plugs spaced 1 foot apart will fill in after 20 to 24 weeks. Provide ample water for 2 to 3 weeks as the grass establishes. Maintenance: Zeon is drought tolerant but benefits from regular watering. Homeowners should mow every 7 to 10 days, maintaining a height of 1 to 2 inches, and apply fertilizer annually at 1 to 2 pounds of nitrogen for every 1,000 square feet. Alternatively, split fertilizer into 2 separate applications, 1 pound in spring and 1 pound in mid to late summer. With its resistance to disease and insect attack, Zeon is unlikely to require pesticide application or additional treatments. Zeon versus other grasses. Compared to other grass varieties, Zeon has a lot to offer. It tends to stay green even in the heat of the summer as its extensive root system gives it tolerance to drought. It requires less fertilizer, water and mowing than tall fescue. Zeon does not produce the thick thatch that is often problematic when growing Emerald Zoysia. Unlike Emerald, Zeon Zoysia can be mowed with a rotary mower and does not require a reel mower. Additionally, Zeon offers shade tolerance seen in the hybrid diamond but is much quicker to establish itself.